This is called a rainfall. I love rain. So whenever it rains, remember me. The rain is like blessing from heaven. See? The rain is like the connection, message from heaven to earth. So I like it very much. It comforts my soul. Look at it again until after all the songs are finished. But he thought it's a good one. Maybe you like it. Watched the rainbow. We